Hey everyone, welcome back to Iconic Makeup, and I'm going to be talking about the makeup essential products that you need in my today's video. Currently, I'm showing you NYX Eye Base, which is a skin tone base. I'm going to open it up and show it to you how it looks from inside. I've used it once, so you can see that. It's a skin tone shade that you need whenever you start off with your eye makeup, and this is mostly used by any of the professional makeup artists or people who know about makeup. So you just get two shades for the eye base. One is the white shade and one is the skin tone, the one that's on your screen right now. Easily available through your nearby stores, or you can order it through the Nykaa website, and pretty affordable. That's the most essential thing that you need whenever you need to start off any eye makeup. This is the base for it. And let me show you another thing, which is Makeup Studio Two-Way Gel. That's on your screen right now. Okay, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up and show it to you how it looks from inside. This two-way gel helps you put on any kind of glitter and helps you put in any shiny or shimmery effects on the eye. So you just need to, I'm just going to open it up and show it to you how it looks from inside. It's like a little brush that comes up with it. So you're just going to put it on your eye base. Just, just dab it in. Just take off the extra bit from this two-way gel. Put it on your eye, and then you can put on your glitter, and that's how it completes your eye makeup. I will be showing you how to use it in my upcoming videos. Subscribe my channel, please.